Can AI writing software improve writing skills? Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence can really help you write better? Today, we are going to look at how AI writing software can actually boost your writing skills. First, let's talk about what AI writing software does. These tools provide immediate feedback on your writing, helping you spot grammar mistakes and improve your word choice. For instance, programs like Grammarly give you scores and suggestions that can motivate you to refine your drafts. This instant feedback encourages you to revise your work actively, making it easier to learn the rules of language and style. Next, AI tools can assist with brainstorming and organizing your thoughts. When you sit down to write, starting can be the hardest part. AI writing software can help generate ideas and even create outlines for your papers. This support allows you to focus more on what you want to say rather than getting stuck on how to say it. Research shows that students using generative AI tools produce higher quality work more efficiently, which means you can save time and improve your writing at the same time. Another important aspect is how AI writing software benefits non-native English speakers. These tools can help improve clarity and correctness in writing, making it easier for them to meet academic standards. This support can boost their confidence and engagement in writing tasks. However, it is essential to use these tools wisely. The effectiveness of AI writing software depends on how you integrate it into your learning. Setting clear goals for your assignments can help you use the feedback from AI more effectively. It is also important to stay aware of the accuracy of the suggestions provided by AI. Relying too much on these tools can lead to a loss of critical thinking and creativity in your writing. In practical terms, here are some ways students can use AI writing software to improve their skills. You can quickly identify and fix grammar and style errors during the revision process. This immediate correction helps you learn as you write. You can also generate initial drafts or outlines to overcome writer's block, which is a common challenge for many writers. Additionally, AI tools can provide targeted feedback that aligns with your assignment criteria, helping you stay on track. You can practice rewriting sentences based on AI suggestions, which can improve your writing style over time. Finally, these tools can suggest vocabulary and sentence variations that can make your writing more engaging. In summary, AI writing software can be a helpful tool for developing writing skills. When combined with active learning strategies and careful evaluation of AI feedback, these tools can support your growth as a writer. Remember, using AI should be about guidance, not shortcuts. This approach can help you build stronger writing habits and confidence as you progress in your studies.